Your SOLIDWORKS designs are always evolving. But how do you know if they are going to work? 3D Experience Work Simulation, powered by the industry-leading Abacus solver, gives you the ability to virtually validate complex designs without having to create any prototypes. Built-in collaboration tools make it easy to document and track issues in your design and stay organized with your team assignments. Let's see how you can use multi-physics simulation to analyze different areas of your design and ensure your customer gets the best product. Weight and manufacturing considerations drive design changes all the time. But you need to ensure that the structural performance still meets your design requirements. The Assistant panel makes it easy for you to set up simulations. Select the material from a comprehensive library, apply boundary conditions, and loads to replicate real-world scenarios. Once the results are generated, view factor of safety plot to validate your changes. Further, you can investigate the effects of dynamic loading like random vibrations. It's easy to define bounding frequencies, the PSD curve, and run your random vibration study. Stress and displacement results give you insights into how the assembly behaves during random excitation and gives you the confidence you need to move the best design forward. Sometimes, a linear static simulation is just not enough. Cyclic loading of compressive and tensile stresses can create fatigue-related failures that are hard to predict. Now, with 3D Experience Work Simulation, you can easily validate the lifespan of your parts. The built-in library allows you to select material with fatigue data or create your own. Define boundary conditions and apply loads. The on-screen graphics lets you know that the forces are going in the right direction. The results show when and where your parts will fail, even in low cycle fatigue. With tight integration between SOLIDWORKS and 3D Experience Work Simulation, you can easily make design changes and rerun the simulation without having to import and export different file types. Compare results and see how informed design changes can maximize the lifespan of your parts. Understanding how plastic flows in mold cavities is critical to the quality of your parts. Historically, years of experience has been the only way to avoid costly defects and tooling rework. 3D Experience Work Simulation puts powerful plastics analysis tools in the hands of your engineers. Apply material from a built-in plastics library and set the injection molding parameters. Setup tools allow you to automatically find and establish gate locations, or create a custom one. Right away, you can see some heavy sink marks which are not desirable in high-quality parts. This insight helps to guide your design decisions to ensure optimal surface quality and maintain design tolerances. When the plastic cools, it shrinks and warps, and you need to know by how much. With pinpoint warpage calculation, you can now accurately scale your design to maintain fit, form, and function. Validating your plastic components eliminates costly and time-consuming mold changes and gives you confidence to enter high-volume production. When streamlining your design for better aerodynamics, you want to understand how the air flows around it. Powerful fluid dynamics capabilities within 3D Experience Work Simulation allows you to easily define the boundaries of your study, set the wind speed, and use the powerful hex-dominant meshing to accurately mesh complex assemblies. High-power cloud computing allows you to easily scale your resources to tackle complex simulations. Explore flow velocities, pressure fields, and streamlines to help you validate the fluid behavior in and around your design so you can maximize the battery life and increase rider efficiency. More and more devices are connected through wireless technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cell networks. Connectivity performance is a crucial design aspect of electromagnetic devices. 3D Experience Work Simulation's powerful CST Studio Suite technology allows you to simulate placement of such devices when they come in contact with each other. By reviewing far fields and electric field plots of different positions and orientations, you can make informed decisions on how antenna placement and materials can affect connectivity. This enables you to visualize performance and optimize signal integrity. With 3D Experience Work Simulation, you have the power to solve complex design challenges. Fueled by the industry-leading Abacus solver, you have access to powerful multi-physics simulation capabilities that allow you to virtually validate your designs and confidently move forward with your best ideas. What complex simulations will you solve with 3D Experience Works simulation?